Once I learned this recipe, I never wanted to eat potatoes any other way. It's super easy to make and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. I'm using 7 potatoes, cutting them in half, no need to peel them. Place the potatoes in a pot and add enough water to cover them. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and stir well. Cook over medium heat for 20 minutes. Or until a fork easily pierces the potatoes. In a skillet, melt 1 tablespoon of butter over low heat. Place the potatoes cut side down, just like I'm doing here. And let them brown. Once they're golden on one side, flip them and let them brown evenly on all sides. Quick shout out to Brian Corey from Texas, USA. And a huge thank you to everyone who interacts with our videos. You folks are amazing. A pinch of paprika, oregano, black pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, juice of 1 lemon, this makes all the difference. It takes the flavor to the next level. Give the potatoes a quick toss so they absorb all that flavor. Look how beautifully golden they are. To finish, sprinkle some fresh green onions on top. And that's it. These potatoes are crispy on the outside, buttery, soft on the inside. Perfect for lunch or dinner. I hope you loved this recipe. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video. Enjoy.